Hello and welcome to our video on 20 tips on how to make money with AI. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money. And make sure to stay until the end to hear an exciting bonus fact. AI, or artificial intelligence, has the potential to revolutionize various industries and create new opportunities for individuals and businesses. In this video, we will explore various ways you can leverage AI to generate income and increase your profits. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, develop AI-based products or services. One way to make money with AI is to develop AI-based products or services. This could include creating software or applications that use machine learning algorithms to perform tasks such as data analysis, image recognition, or natural language processing. Alternatively, you could offer consulting or training services to help businesses or individuals implement AI solutions. Tip number 2, invest in AI startups or companies. Another way to make money with AI is to invest in AI startups or companies that are at the forefront of this technology. This could be through equity investments, where you become a shareholder in the company, or through debt investments, where you lend the company money in exchange for interest payments. Tip number 3, offer AI-based freelancing services. Freelancing is a great way to make money with AI if you have the necessary skills and expertise. You can offer a variety of AI-based services such as data analysis, machine learning, or natural language processing to clients in need of these services. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are good places to find potential clients and showcase your skills. Tip number 4, sell AI-based tools or products online. If you have developed an AI-based tool or product that you think could be useful to others, you can sell it online through platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. This could include products such as AI-powered software, hardware, or even physical products that use AI technology. Tip number 5, use AI to optimize and automate your business. AI can also be a valuable tool for optimizing and automating various aspects of your business. For example, you could use AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries and complaints, or use machine learning algorithms to analyze and predict market trends. By using AI to streamline and improve your business operations, you can increase efficiency and profitability. Tip number 6, offer AI-based consulting services. Another way to make money with AI is to offer consulting services to businesses or individuals looking to implement AI solutions. This could involve helping clients understand the potential benefits and limitations of AI, as well as assisting with the selection and implementation of the right AI technologies for their needs. Tip number 7, use AI to create and sell digital products. AI can also be used to create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or software. For example, you could use AI to generate unique content for an ebook, or use machine learning algorithms to create personalized learning plans for an online course. Tip number 8, use AI to personalize and optimize marketing campaigns. AI can be a valuable asset for personalizing and optimizing marketing campaigns. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that are more likely to convert. You can also use AI to optimize ad placements and bid prices for maximum effectiveness. Tip number 9, use AI to improve customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can be used to improve customer service by providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries and complaints. This can help to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, and ultimately lead to increased profits. Tip number 10, use AI to analyze and predict market trends. AI can be used to analyze and predict market trends, helping businesses to make informed decisions about where to invest their resources. This could involve using machine learning algorithms to analyze past data and identify patterns that could indicate future trends. Tip number 11, use AI to optimize supply chain management. AI can also be used to optimize supply chain management by predicting demand, identifying bottlenecks, and optimizing production and distribution. By using AI to improve the efficiency of your supply chain, you can reduce costs and increase profits. Tip number 12, use AI to improve employee productivity. AI can be used to improve employee productivity by automating tasks and providing tools and resources that help employees work more efficiently. For example, you could use AI to schedule meetings, generate reports, or analyze data, freeing up employees to focus on more important tasks. Tip number 13, use AI to create personalized recommendations. AI can be used to create personalized recommendations for products or services based on a customer's past purchases or interests. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data, you can create tailored recommendations that are more likely to result in a sale. Tip number 14, use AI to improve product development. AI can be used to improve product development by analyzing customer data and feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. You can also use AI to optimize the design and development process, reducing costs and improving efficiency. Tip number 15, use AI to improve quality control. AI can be used to improve quality control by analyzing data from production processes and identifying issues before they become problems. This can help to reduce defects and improve the overall quality of your products. Tip number 16, use AI to improve risk assessment and management. AI can be used to improve risk assessment and management by analyzing data and identifying potential risks and opportunities. This could include using machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends, customer data, or financial data to identify potential risks and opportunities. Tip number 17, use AI to improve financial forecasting and analysis. AI can be used to improve financial forecasting and analysis by analyzing data and identifying patterns that could indicate future trends. This can help businesses to make informed decisions about investments and budgeting. Tip number 18, use AI to optimize pricing strategies. AI can be used to optimize pricing strategies by analyzing data such as market trends, customer behavior, and competitor pricing to identify the optimal price point for a product or service. Tip number 19, use AI to improve lead generation and sales. AI can be used to improve lead generation and sales by analyzing data to identify potential customers and create targeted marketing campaigns. You can also use AI to optimize the sales process, such as by automating lead qualification and prioritization. Tip number 20, use AI to improve forecasting and planning. AI can be used to improve forecasting and planning by analyzing data and identifying patterns that could indicate future trends. This can help businesses to make informed decisions about resource allocation and planning for the future. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with AI, whether it be through developing AI-based products or services, investing in AI startups or companies, or using AI to optimize and automate your business. By staying up to date on the latest developments in AI technology and identifying opportunities to apply it in your business or investments, you can increase efficiency and profitability. Bonus fact: one exciting development in the field of AI is the potential for it to be used to solve complex problems and make discoveries in fields such as medicine and research. For example, AI algorithms have been used to analyze vast amounts of data and identify potential treatments for diseases, or to analyze data from experiments and make new scientific discoveries. This demonstrates the limitless potential of AI to revolutionize various industries and create new opportunities for growth and innovation.